This is how you are going to fix being unable to add a DNS record in GoDaddy. So step one is you're going to log into your GoDaddy account. Go to godaddy.com, log in, and then click on your profile at the top of your screen at the right side. And then from here, you're going to go to My Products. And then from the My Product page, you're going to open your domain's DNS settings. So you will find it right here. Now, this opens the DNS records page. Step 3 is you're going to check if domain uses GoDaddy name servers. If the DNS page is locked, it may say your domain is not using GoDaddy name servers. If so, you must manage DNS where the name servers are pointing, like Cloudflare, the Shopify, etc. Change the name servers back to GoDaddy if you want to manage records here. Now, step 4 is you're going to add record properly. So what you're going to do is you're just going to hit on add and then choose the record type such as A, CNAME, TXT, etc. And then you're going to fill in all of the required fields such as the name, value, and TTL. Step 5 is you're just going to save. So if you get an error, double check for duplicates because the GoDaddy won't let you add conflicting records. Now, step 6 is to just wait for propagation. Even if added correctly, DNS changes may take minutes to hours to update globally. And that is how you're going to fix how unable to add DNS record in GoDaddy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.